guys, it is me, Boat, gaming with Boat here, and yeah, so I'm going to be playing some Subway Surfer. So let's go check it out. So yeah, Subway Surfers World Tour Singapore. I think that's how you say it, but I don't know. So yeah. Oh, come on, load. Use head starts for a helping hand. What? Nah. So yep, let's go play. Come on. Load. Welcome, monkey. Yeah. What the heck is on that board she's holding? Okay, now let's go. Why can't I hear the sounds? That's freaky, but it's okay. So, yeah. I'll be playing at least 5 more times if I die. But I don't think I'm gonna die. If I get over 200 coins, I will not do it again. And yeah, I want the video to be pretty long. Because usually my videos is so short. It makes me mad. Charles. So yeah, let's do this. Let's go on this train, jump on the next one. Man, we already made it to like 100 coins. Ooh. Making some weird noises. Fireball. This is one of the longest times I survived. Well, I think I got up to like 500 coins in one game. So that was probably my longest, but who cares? This is my longest time without using anything. Like power-ups and all those weird stuff. So yeah, let's do this. We got this. Cause I am a survivor. Let's do it. Ooh, made it to 250 coins already. Oh no, I died. Okay, I will try again. I will try one more time. And I think I'll end the video after. Okay, we got 932 coins. Oh my goodness. I learned the tip is that follow the coins. Weird, yeah? Weird, but that is smart. You collect your coins, you get something. Oh no. Boom, okay. The word is real, I never noticed. Thought it's a growl. I don't know what it said, but yeah. Yes! Power up, or whatever you call these things. Every damn hustling. Every damn. Yeah. Come on, make it 200 coins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I was gonna say ZERO, but 0. So let's make it to 200 coins. Oh no. What? Okay, so yeah. That is gonna be it for today's video. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more. And bye.